Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Let me start our second topic for acids, bases and salts. If we take some baking soda and taste it, the baking soda appears to have a bitter taste. And if we rub a solution of baking soda between our fingers, it feels slippery to touch. The substance which are bitter in taste feels slippery to touch is base. The properties are they have pH greater than 7, feel slippery, dissolve fat and oils, usually forms hydroxyl ions in the solutions and capable to neutralize acids. How? When a base is soluble in water, it is called alkyl. But when it reacts with acid, it forms salt and water. Let me talk some common examples of bases. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, etc. Let me summarize the definitions on the slides. You can see clearly. It starts from 8 to 14 pH. जिसमें कि बेटा सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मैक्सिमम आप यूज़ करते हो ड्रेन क्लीनर के रूप में, और मैग्नीशियम और एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को हम एंटासिड्स के रूप में यूज़ करते हैं और अमोनियम क्लीनर के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. इनको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं एसिड की तरह, वीक और स्ट्रॉन्ग. वीक में अमोनिया, पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट और सोडियम कार्बोनेट आता है, और सारे हाइड्रोक्साइड्स को, कैल्शियम और सोडियम और बेरिलियम को हम स्ट्रॉन्ग में रखते हैं. तो व्हाट इज अ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन? व्हेन अ रिएक्शन बिटवीन एन एसिड एंड अ अल्काइल with the formation of salt and water is called neutralization reaction. You have already learned that acid and alkyls, it means base, dissolved in water, have different chemical properties than what happens when they are mixed with each other. Let me do an activity. Take a 5 milliliter of dilute caustic soda solution in a beaker. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator and stir well in a glass rod until it can dissolve. What is the color of the solution? The color of the solution is pink because it is alkaline. Why? Because it is alkaline. Then add a few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid at lime by the means of a dropper and gently stir. धीरे धीरे आपने इसको हिलाना है. Do you see any change in the color? Yes, definitely. The color of the solution gradually decreases. Continue adding a few drops of acid solution at a lime while stirring till the color just disappears. Oh, it's going on. Now, add carefully 1 more drop of caustic soda solution and again a drop of acid solution. What happens to the color? The solution become colorless. What is the reason? Here acid destroy the alkyne property while adding alkyne destroy acidic property. So the result, solution is neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral. So we can say it contains salt and water, a neutralization reaction. Thank you for watching.